You think you control your money, but in reality, most of your financial decisions are influenced by systems and habits that operate before you even notice them forming in your daily routine. Your actions feel intentional and logical, yet they are often automatic responses to environments designed to remove effort and make spending faster and easier every time you interact with money. Money is constantly moving through your account, and most of these movements happen in the background without your awareness, making it difficult to track or understand what is actually happening. Every payment you make is supported by systems built to reduce friction, meaning you don't stop to think, question, or evaluate whether the purchase is truly necessary. This environment slowly replaces conscious decision-making with automatic behavior, where spending becomes a reaction instead of a deliberate and controlled action over time. Subscriptions quietly remove money every month without requiring your attention, and because nothing interrupts this process, it feels almost invisible in your daily life. These systems are designed to run continuously without forcing you to reconsider or actively confirm your participation, which is why they remain active for so long. As a result, money leaves your account regularly while your brain focuses on other priorities, disconnecting you from the actual movement of your finances. You don't feel these small losses because they are spread out over time and lack any strong emotional signal that would normally trigger your attention. Over weeks and months, these invisible deductions accumulate into a significant amount that impacts your financial position more than you realize. When your income increases, your lifestyle adjusts automatically, introducing new expenses that quickly absorb the additional money without conscious planning. This shift feels natural because it happens gradually, without a clear decision point, making it difficult to recognize that your behavior has changed. You begin to accept higher spending as your new normal, even though your ability to save or build wealth has not improved in any meaningful way. Instead of progressing financially, you remain in the same position, just operating at a higher level of income and expenses simultaneously. Most people believe they are saving money, but in reality they are only keeping what remains after all spending decisions have already been made. This means there is no system protecting money before it gets used, and everything becomes available for spending at any moment. Without separating money in advance, you rely on discipline instead of structure, which makes consistent saving much harder to maintain. As a result, saving becomes inconsistent and unpredictable, depending entirely on what happens to be left at the end of the cycle. Small purchases feel harmless because each one is insignificant on its own, which is why they are rarely questioned or controlled. However, when repeated consistently over time, these small actions create a continuous drain that becomes powerful in the long term. Your brain is not designed to track hundreds of small transactions, so it ignores them, even though they collectively reduce your financial stability. This creates a disconnect between what you think you are spending and what is actually happening inside your account. Because of this gap, your perception of your finances becomes inaccurate, making it harder to identify the real problem. Payment systems remove friction completely, allowing spending to happen instantly without any delay or resistance in the process. There is no pause between desire and action, which eliminates the opportunity to reconsider or change your decision. Without that pause, your behavior becomes reactive, driven by impulse rather than intentional control. The easier it becomes to spend, the more often spending happens, reinforcing the same patterns again and again. This leads to a constant flow of money leaving your account without any meaningful interruption or reflection. Your balance only shows a final number, but it hides the entire process that led to that result behind a simple interface. You see what remains, but you do not see the sequence of actions that created that outcome in the first place. This lack of visibility makes it difficult to understand where your money actually goes over time. Without understanding the process, you cannot effectively control or improve your financial behavior. Most financial behavior is driven by habits that develop slowly and operate automatically without conscious awareness. These habits become default actions that repeat daily, shaping your financial outcomes without active decision-making. Over time, you stop thinking about each choice and begin following patterns that feel normal and familiar. These patterns define your results more than any single large decision you might make occasionally. One-click payment systems remove delay, which removes the time needed to reflect or reconsider your actions. When there is no delay, decisions are executed instantly, leaving no room for evaluation or correction. This creates a system where spending consistently happens faster than your ability to think about it. The faster the system becomes, the less control you have over your own financial behavior. Money often leaves your account before you are fully aware that a decision has even been made. This disconnect makes it harder to connect your actions with their consequences in a meaningful way. As a result, behavior continues unchanged because there is no clear feedback loop to trigger adjustment. Small recurring costs become stronger over time, not because they are large, but because they are consistent and persistent. Their impact grows slowly, making them harder to notice but more powerful in shaping your financial outcome. Financial systems are designed for convenience, and convenience increases the frequency of spending behavior. The easier something is to do, the more likely it is to happen repeatedly without resistance. This creates an environment where spending becomes the default action instead of a considered choice. Your balance does not show how money moved through your system. It only shows what remains after everything has happened. This hides the real structure of your financial activity behind a simplified and incomplete representation. Without access to the full process, your ability to make informed decisions becomes limited. Subscriptions and fees reduce your money without emotional feedback, which prevents your brain from reacting to them. Without emotional signals, there is no urgency to act, cancel, or adjust your behavior in response. This allows small losses to continue indefinitely without interruption or awareness. When income increases, spending follows because the underlying behavior patterns remain unchanged. More money does not improve your situation if the system controlling your behavior stays the same. The structure of your habits determines the outcome, not the amount of money you earn. Real change begins only when automatic patterns are interrupted and replaced with deliberate systems. Without this interruption, behavior repeats and produces the same results over time regardless of income level. Your brain naturally prefers instant rewards, making spending easier and more appealing than saving. Saving requires delay and discipline, while spending provides immediate satisfaction and feedback. This difference creates a bias that pushes you towards spending decisions more often than saving. Awareness alone does not change behavior if the system around you remains exactly the same. You can understand the problem clearly and still repeat the same financial actions every day. True change requires structure and systems that guide behavior, not just knowledge or intention. Most financial losses come from repeated small actions rather than single large mistakes or failures. Each action feels insignificant, which is why it is ignored and repeated without concern. Over time, these small actions combine into a significant result that shapes your financial reality. Money does not disappear instantly. It leaves step by step through continuous small decisions. Each step feels harmless on its own, which makes the overall impact difficult to notice in real time. This gradual process creates a steady decline that becomes visible only after significant time has passed. And that is why your balance never reflects the full truth of what is actually happening with your money.